Hey, hey. Who you got in there?
It's Mike.
Hey, Mike. Who,
What's up?
all right. Well,
Well, you want to tell me why your old tires are rolling around with Mike in them?
well, those are the new old tires, kinda. Those are expensive. The ones on here aren't, and there's a reason. We're going to the Daryl Starbird show at Tulsa. You okay?
He needed help.
I made it.
So we're leaving. We'll be there. What's the first day? The 15th?
Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah, in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Daryl Starbird show. The best of the best is there in the custom world. We can't wait to be there. We're a part of the show. They invited us there. We're bringing the green truck. We got the old tires on here. We're gonna be doing some drifting, burnouts, signing autographs. We'll have shirts, hats, everything. We'll be there kissing hands, shaking babies. I think we got some downhill Jeep races to do
That's what it sounds like.
and some mini bike races. So they want us involved. We want to be involved. We're gonna be there. We hope to see you there. And yeah, we're gonna make some tire smoke and some,
Just tear things up like we normally do.
we're gonna do what we do.
You're not going up the ride anyway, so.
Yeah, you gotta be this high.
I can get stilts.
Your platform shoes with the goldfish in it.
No,